How to lock Facebook profile. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. In this homepage, click on the menu icon here below. Now click on your profile icon and this will bring you to your profile page. In here, click on the three dots icon, then proceed to Privacy Center. On the first tab here, the Safety, click on Get Started. Now tap on Limit who can see what you share, and then navigate to lock your profile. As you can see, the lock profile is currently unavailable to some countries. However, when a profile is locked, only their friends will see the following: photos, post on their profile, their full-size profile picture or cover photo, their stories, and their new posts and photos. So if you want to hide the mentioned information, we can just adjust the settings manually. So go back to the menu tab, click on Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy shortcut, and then click on this first square, which is Who can see what you share. Continue, and on this page, you can manage who can see your personal information. Make sure to set this to only me or friends only. After that, click on Next. Here, you can now adjust the settings of your audience. Again, make these to only me or friends only. Also, click on the Limit Past Post. Click on Next, and here you can add users to your block list. Just click on Next and review another topic. After doing that, your Facebook won't have the lock icon, but your information will be hidden just like how your information is hidden when your account is locked. So that is how to lock Facebook profile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.